The Navy is testing a new suit designed to protect sailors from steam leaks on nuclear-powered submarines. When pressurized steam leaks rupture, they can leak steam at extremely high temperatures, which can severely injure or even kill servicemen. The new suits will help personnel make repairs or even rescue crewmates in emergency situations. The new suit prototype is popular among the few sailors who have tested it because it's easier to move, it's 9 pounds lighter, and it has a new glove design that has improved dexterity and tactility. They actually call it the lobster claw. Oh, and it's like much easier to put on. It only takes about 2 minutes to put one of the new one-piece designs on, less than half the time that it takes to put on one of those decades-old hazmat-style chemical suits that crews are using today. I mean, and it has like a nice gel ice pack to keep you cool. The crew on the USS Toledo will test the suits for the next few months before they make final improvements and start issuing the final suits in the next couple of years. Until then, that clunky old hazmat suit. Aeromobile is an advanced engineering company based out of Bratislava, Slovakia. It plans to unveil its flying supercar at Top Mark in Monaco next week, and we got our hands on some of the concept renderings before the company pulls back the curtain. The new flying car is a departure from the company's Aeromobile 3.0 prototype that was unveiled in 2014. And not just because this one's gonna be commercially available, which is awesome. On the surface, one of the biggest changes appears to be the car's more rounded front end. And as you can see, it has come a long way since the Aeromobile 1.0 from the early 90s. According to the company, the new flying car is a completely integrated aircraft as well as a fully functioning four-wheeled car, all powered by hybrid propulsion. So if you need to choose whether to drive or fly, you could settle for a little bit of both. You know, as long as you could get yourself to a runway, you're not going too far. The company will give a live demonstration in Monaco, and if all goes well, they're gonna start taking orders. I mean, it's gonna be hard to get over the fact that, like, if you look at the profile, it looks like just like a giant flying sperm. But that's beside the point. It's still cool. And it won't even be the only flying car at the show. Dutch company Pal V will be showing off a scale model of the Liberty, the company's three-wheeled gyrocopter. You know, like, the more that I see these flying cars become commercially available, the less motivated I feel to get like a pilot's license. Because this thing, the Pal V, looks like an enclosed motorcycle with a propeller. Go gadget copter. Finally, we've all seen some pretty good semi-functional Iron Man suits over the years, but a 38-year-old UK inventor is flight testing a jet-powered suit he calls Daedalus. Daedalus? I just looked it up. Daedalus. According to Wired, Richard Browning has strapped 6 kerosene-fueled micro-gas turbines to his arms and back and has flown for up to 12 minutes in this homemade flight suit that has already cost him more than 50 grand to build out of his garage. He hasn't yet pushed the suit to the brink since it's capable of speeds of 280 miles per hour, and I mean, that's gotta get dangerous. He recently added a heads-up display that he received from Sony, and he has plans to work on upgrades, like an automated balancing system. I mean, I was excited and hopeful to be able to test one of these suits, but then I heard about Browning's training regimen. A former soldier, Browning is also a triathlete, an ultramarathon runner, and an endurance canoeist. Because that's a thing. He, like, drifts in a canoe for a while? And if he says that the suit tests the limits of personal fitness, I might need to put in a little more work before I strap on his Mark 1. According to Red Bull, he bikes over 90 miles every week, runs about 25 miles every Saturday, and he still says that the effort to steer the suit is severe. I mean, no wonder Tony Stark could maintain such a physique while maintaining a lavish lifestyle. I wonder if Elon Musk is gonna buy him out. I wonder if he's already done that. Oh, he's gonna be wealthy. I'm David Manti. This is Engineering by Design.